Come with me as we depart Tokyo and head to Osaka, Japan. We are taking the bullet train. I've been so excited to take this train, and it honestly is flying at the speed of light. Now, the best part of the train ride though are these sandwiches. You can actually find these sandwiches a lot in at least Tokyo, but I was super happy they had them on a train. It was a chicken sandwich, it was also an egg salad sandwich, and something else. To be quite honest with you, I don't even know what those sandwiches were. All I know is those were the best sandwiches on plain white bread that I've ever had in my entire life. And the next thing you know, this few hour trip is over. And now it's time for us to check into our hotel in Osaka. Now, in fact, this was not the original hotel that we were supposed to be staying at, but we found this hotel at the last minute. And this is the Osaka Station Hotel, and it was recently built just within the past year or so. The hotel is also connected to the train station, and it's connected to an underground hub of restaurants. This hotel is supremely unique. Let's get into the room tour. Righty, here we are. Look at this. Okay, so we got our lighting switches here for the master, privacy, and makeup room. We'll get to those in a second. I love you open and the lighting automatically just brightens up the closet space. Here we've got your nice little sandals, your house slippers, your hotel slippers, ironing board here, hangers, and then you've got your full-length mirror because of course one needs to check oneself out before one leaves the room. And then let's open it here. I love this. You've got your pajama sets, matching pajama sets. We got another one in case you have a third. All right, and so we have luggage here from our friends who stopped to go grab something to eat. So I just want to let you know that there's a lot of space here. You got your safe here. All right, so look at this. Telly set into the wall. It's beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Everything that you need for a nice little night in. You got your tea, got your wine. You can make it all here. And then the thing that I love, what's in the refrigerator. It is all for the free. It's complimentary. I feel like this just really makes a big difference, especially when you're traveling. I think we have some sake. I think we've got some beer, mineral water, and natural water to drink. Because people are dehydrated when they're traveling, so they need something. All right, so we've got a nice little sitting area right here, but look at this view. This is Osaka, people. This is it. We have arrived. We are on the 35th floor. And is it not beautiful? Like, the day is perfect. It's ending perfectly. You've got the mountainous backdrop and you've got the city down below. Osaka feels completely different from Tokyo to me. It feels more personal and a little gritty, which I like. We've got the bed here, king size bed. I do love that we always take the Bluetooth speaker everywhere, but they have it here already for us. Got a nice little clock here. You've got some Vetiver linen water. Ooh, I like that. So you can control the lighting here from right at your bedside. Reading, master, high, low, night. You've got charging stations here for different types of phones. So look, you got this here, then you've got that, and you've got that. That is so neat. And then you've got the backlighting here, which I love. I always think it's nice when hotel rooms have that, and I think it just adds a little something extra. So I want you to take a look at this. I absolutely love this. And you know what I just noticed? You can slide this closed for a little bit of extra privacy if you need it. Oh wow, you can actually shut that entire space off. I love that. They literally thought of everything. All right, so let's take a look at this vanity station here. Beautiful, right? The lighting underneath just gives it a nice little glow. That's actually a scale right there. I don't know if you can see this. All right. And so, look, got your glasses here, your body lotions, your hand soaps, your towels, this mirror. So beautiful. Got a nice little trash can there, some electrical outlets here. Let's take a look at the shower. I love it. Nice little waterfall. Love that, love that. Put all of everything that you need here. Your lighting switches here. Got a tub. I love that this is modern with this little chair inside. All right, so look, let's enter the throne room, the toilet. Watch this though. Watch this. Did you see that? Did you see that? With the flip of a button, the toilet light turns on and the throne raises. So here's your bidet area. I guess it's like a bidet station. So this is probably what you want to use if you're, but you can change the pressure. You can do a light flush, large flush. It's really nice. So I think all in all, this hotel is spectacular. I am super pleased. This gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Can we just get into the sexy vibes of this hotel? I just want to get into the vibes. Just the vibes. Speaking of vibes, look at the drinks. Get into it. Champagne, a beautiful view. This is the perfect way to end a day of travel. Okay, so y'all know I had to go to my room. I had to freshen up. I had to change. And I had to just come down, let myself have a moment to unwind and just relax. And while I'm relaxing, I think I should let you know a couple of great things about the Osaka Station Hotel. This is an autograph collection hotel, which means that this is a Marriott property, and it's located right in the heart of Osaka. So you have availability for dining options, great shopping options, transportation options, because it's right at Osaka Station, which is the train station. So there are plenty of options for you to do any and everything that you can think of. And if you can't, catching a cab is super easy in Osaka. There were cabs literally on every corner. We never had a problem getting transportation to or from our destinations, and it was always easy to find something good to eat. I honestly would say that Osaka reminds me of a cleaner version of New York City. Japan overall, from what I could see, is very, very clean. It's actually sometimes so clean that it's oftentimes hard to find trash cans. That's really a thing. But I would say that if you were going to stay at a hotel in Osaka, the Osaka Station Hotel is definitely the place to stay. The amenities are great. They have a great breakfast buffet that was absolutely magnificent. And I will do some different videos on the different things that we do in Osaka. But I have to tell you that the experience here is top notch, and I highly recommend the Osaka Station Hotel, one of the best.